While you likely spot clean is needed to rid surfaces of spills and grime, nothing makes floors gleam like mopping. No, we're not romanticizing mopping, but finding the right mop can improve not only the look of your floors, but also your kitchen cleaning experience. A mop that has adjustable handle lengths is also helpful, as it allows you to easily reach awkward areas without having to bend over or strain your back. There are many products available to choose the best mops for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mops for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Overall Oshang Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. This best-selling mop set gets high marks for style, but also excels in versatility since it can be used both wet and dry and on a variety of surfaces. The mop itself features a sturdy stainless steel handle that can extend to 61 inches and a swiveling head that uses microfiber pads for efficient cleaning. Keep your hands clean with the included 2-gallon bucket's built-in wringer, which allows you to scrape and refresh your mop head without any dirty water splashing back. The set comes with 4 machine-washable microfiber pads that can be used again and again. Number 2. Best Value Libman Wonder Mop and Refills Kit. When you want a simple, effective mop that won't break your budget, this best-selling mop from Libman is a winner. The head is made of wide microfiber strips that easily pick up dirt and other particles when the mop is wet or dry. Slide the wringer down over the head to get rid of any excess water or cleaning solution and mop over just about any type of flooring, whether tile, linoleum, stone, vinyl, laminate, marble, or wood. The handle is made from sturdy steel and will stand up to the extra pressure needed to scrub away more stubborn spots. The mop head is machine washable up to 50 times, and when you buy it as a kit with 3 extra heads, you won't have to think about shopping for replacements anytime soon. It's an excellent affordable option for light and regular household mopping duties. Plus, weighing in at under 3 pounds, it's easy for just about anyone to maneuver. Number 3. Best String Mop Yocada Looped End String Wet Mop. This professional-grade string mop by Yocada is designed for wet mopping, from tiled kitchens to concrete floors in the garage. The strings that make up the mop head are microfiber, which is much more effective at scrubbing away grime and holding onto dirt than traditional cotton string mops, and the looped ends also prevent the strings from fraying. This mop is equipped with a telescoping handle that can go from 44.5 to 55.1 inches, allowing plenty of versatility and reach for whoever is using it. Removing and reattaching the mop head is pretty straightforward, and each head can be machine washed and reused multiple times before having to be fully replaced. One caveat is that you will need to purchase a separate bucket, preferably with a wringer, to use this effectively. If you've got a lot of surface area to mop, this is a great choice that is meant to withstand heavy use, and it's available at a very reasonable price. Number 4. Oshang EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. This set by Oshang combines the familiarity of a string-style mop with the efficiency of microfiber to help capture dirt while keeping excess water at bay. Safe for use on all floors, it features a triangle-shaped rotating microfiber head that allows you to clean tight corners and maneuver around furniture. The telescoping handle reaches up to 48 inches and can be adjusted with a twist of the handle grip. This kit comes with 3 machine-washable mop heads that last around 3 months each with regular use. What makes it really stand out is the bucket with a hands-free wringer. Simply soak your mop and place it into the basket, then step on the pedal to activate the wringer. With the Oshang, you'll be able to keep your hands far away from dirty water and you don't have to worry about it splashing. Number 5. Bissell 1940 PowerFresh Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. For a sparkling clean floor, a steam mop harnesses the power of water and heat to remove dirt, grime, and any other buildup from a variety of floor types: tile, marble, linoleum, and sealed hardwood. This model by Bissell has 3 settings: high, medium, and low, so you can select how much steam your floors need. It comes with a soft pad to mop up minor messes and a firmer pad for a deeper clean, plus a flip-down scrubber to scour away spots or grout. The mop has a 23-foot cord, so you can cover a large area without having to change electrical sockets, and the 16-ounce tank provides plenty of run time. The included pads are machine washable, and the mop also comes with 2 optional fragrance discs that leave behind a scent as you clean. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.